case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark decision hailing from a 1991 case, Thompson v. Nason Hospital, the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania advocated for an emerging concept in medical liability known as corporate negligence. In what set a considerable precedent, the case illuminated the crucial responsibility hospitals bear to their patients for the provision of quality care, even from non-employee doctors, ultimately holding them accountable for any subsequent harm. The lawsuit emerged from an incident of a patient's deteriorated health following a car accident. The patient, admitted to Nason Hospital's emergency room with severe head and leg injuries, was also a known heart medication user. Despite presenting a clear medical history, the hospital failed to duly examine and treat her injuries, which led to her condition significantly worsening. On being transferred to another hospital, a substantial intracerebral hematoma was discovered in her brain, signaling an alarming negligence claim against the Nason Hospital administration. The case garnered massive attention as it made its way from the trial court to the Superior Court, where the original verdict was overturned. The Superior Court suggested the concept of corporate negligence, already utilized in several jurisdictions, arguing that even if doctors are not directly employed by the hospital, and despite their direct approval of the treatments, liability could still be affixed on the hospitals in case of adverse outcomes. However, the judgment faced being contested by Nason Hospital. The appeal was made to the Supreme Court, questioning the validity of corporate negligence in an attempt to absolve the hospital from its duty to monitor the quality of care within its facilities. Nevertheless, the Supreme Court upheld the Superior Court's ruling, affirming the role of hospitals in supervising quality medical care and its accountability in cases of negligence. Keeping the patient's welfare at its forefront, the court emphasized the duty of hospital staff to duly report any treatment abnormalities. Ruling that any failure resulting in harm to patients would make the hospital liable, the Supreme Court affirmed the order of the Superior Court and relinquished jurisdiction, paving the way for closer scrutiny of medical care standards in hospitals across the state.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.